Hey friends, if you are posting on social media every week, doing everything you think you are supposed to do, and you are still not getting new clients from it, this video is for you. It's probably not because your product is not good enough, and it's definitely not because you need 10,000 followers. It's usually one of five simple things. And once you see them, you cannot unseen them. Stick with me next 10-15 minutes and I will walk you through all five plus two real examples of small businesses who turn this around. So let's go, fire it up. Quick note, everything in this video is based on what actually worked for small businesses right now, checked and up to date. No fluff, no guessing. I'm Nasir and my whole thing is simplifying your business. So let's keep this simple too. Reason number one, you are selling, not helping. Here is the biggest one. If every single post you put out is buy this book now, we have got a sale on, people switch off. Nobody follows their business to be advertised to all day. A good rule to follow is roughly 80 by 20. Out of every 10 posts, about 8 should be genuinely useful, interesting, or entertaining, and only 2 should be straight up sales pitch. Useful doesn't have to mean complicated. It can be a quick tip, answering a question customer always ask you, or just showing your personality. People buy from businesses they feel they know, not from businesses they just shout at them. Example one, the nail salon. Picture a small nail salon. For months, every single post was the same. A photo of a finished set of nails with the caption, book now, link in bio. Like, we're fine. Bookings from social media, almost none. So the owner tried something different. She started posting things like the mistake people make when they file their own nails at home, and how long your gel polish should actually last. Genuinely useful stuff, nothing salesy. Within a few weeks, people start commenting and sharing those posts, and DM asking about appointments went up, even though she was posting fewer straight up sales posts than before. People started to feel like they knew her before they even sat in her chair. Reason number two, no clear next step. This one is simple, but it catches so many businesses out. You post something great, but you never actually tell people what to do next. Every single post should end with one clear, simple action. Not five options. One, DM me to book. Tap the link in bio. Comments yes, and I will send you the price list. If people have to think about what to do next, most of them will simply do nothing. Make it stupidly easy for them. Reason number three, you are talking to everyone. So you're talking to no one. If you posting try to go for absolutely everyone, they end up connecting with nobody. General content gets scrolled past. The fix is to picture one real person, your ideal customer, and write like you are talking directly to them. Instead of we are offering haircuts, you should say something like struggling to grow out and worked fragging. Here is what actually works. That's specific, that's for one person, and that's exactly the kind of post people stop scrolling to read because it feels like it was written just for them. Example 2, the plumber. Here is a local plumber who posts the same kind of things every time. A logo graphic says, need a plumber, call us. Nobody was engaging, and calls from social media were basically zero. He switched it up. Instead, he started posting things like, why your boiler pressure keep dropping and when to worry. Short, simple explanations. Film on his phone aimed at people with that exact problem. Those specific posts are getting shared in local community groups because they were actually useful to someone with that actual issue. people start messaging him before they even had a problem, just so they should know who to call when they did. Reason number 4, you are inconsistent. This one is less exciting, but just as important. Posting 5 times 1 week, then disappear for a month, tell the algorithm and the audience that you are not reliable. You don't need to post every day. 3 good posts a week consistently will always be 10 posts in one burst followed by silence. Consistency is what builds the trust that turns a follower into a client. Reason number 5, you are chasing followers instead of trust. Last one. And it might be the most important mindset shift. More followers doesn't automatically means more clients. A smaller audience of people who genuinely know, like, and trust you will bring in far more business than a huge number of followers who scroll past everything you post. Focus on real engagement, reply comments, answering DMs, showing up as a real person over chasing numbers. So quick recap, if your social media is not bringing in clients, check these 5 things. You are selling too much and helping too little. Aim for roughly 80% useful, 20% selling. You are not telling people what to do next. Give one clear action per post. You are talking to everyone instead of one specific person. You are inconsistent. 3 posts a week, every week beats a buzz, then silence. You are chasing follower instead of trust. Engagement matters more than numbers. Pick just one of these and fix it in your next post. That's it. Small change, real difference. If this video helped, please hit subscribe. I post one video like this every week. It's most of the time about business, time management, and the tips and tricks. Okay, if you are interested about business, or if you have a business, or if you thinking that you will start a business, you can subscribe me. Hopefully I will see you on the next video. Peace be upon you.